Chapter 3. World of Plants. Plants are living things. They are of many kinds, shapes and sizes. We see many plants around us. Some are small while some are very big. Like our body, plants also have different parts. A plant has mainly two parts, root and shoot. Parts of the plants which grow below the ground are called root system. Parts of the plants which grow above the ground are called shoot system. Root system. The root grows downwards into the ground. Root holds the plant firmly to the ground. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil with which a plant makes food. Roots are of two kinds. 1. Tap root. 2. Fibrous root. 1. Tap root. A main root that grows from end of the stem is called tap root. It is thick and goes deep inside the earth. Many small roots also grow from the main root. Plants like mustard, sunflower, hibiscus, radish, carrot have tap roots. Radish, carrot, turnip etc. store food in tap roots that we eat cooked or raw. Tap root, radish, turnip, carrot. 2. Fibrous root. A number of thin roots which grow from the end of the stem are called fibrous roots. It does not go very deep into the soil. It just branches out in all directions. Plants like wheat, rice, onion, grass have fibrous roots. There are also some aerial roots in large trees such as banyan tree. No more. The branches of a banyan tree send down roots to support heavy branches. They fix themselves in the ground and after so many years they become thick like trunk. Shoot system. The part of a plant which you see above the ground is called shoot system. It contains stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. 1. Stem. The stem supports the whole plant. It grows above the ground. Very thick stem of a tree is called trunk. It keeps the plant upright. When stems of banyan, neem trees etc. become strong and woody, they become trunk. It contains tube-like structure to carry minerals and water from soil up to leaves. It also contains thin tubes to carry prepared food from leaves to different parts of the plant. Stems of some plants such as potato, sugarcane, ginger, store food that we eat. Stems of ginger and potato grow under the ground. Banyan tree, mango tree, potato, ginger, sugarcane. Leaves. Parts of a leaf. Leaf blade, main vein, leaf tip, side veins, stomata. Leaves are green in color. Green color of leaves is due to the presence of chlorophyll in them. Chlorophyll helps plants to prepare food. The broad part of a leaf is called leaf blade. A number of side veins come out from the main vein. These veins take water to all parts of the leaf. The veins also carry prepared food from leaves to the other parts of plants. Leaves make food for the plant with air and water in the presence of sunlight. Leaves take carbon dioxide from air and release oxygen that we breathe in. Plants take air through stomata in their leaves. Stomata are the tiny holes present on the underside of the leaf. Stomata are so small that we can see them only with the help of a microscope. Green leaves are called kitchen of the plants. Some plants store food in their leaves such as spinach, lettuce, cabbage. We eat leaves of these plants. Plants make food when they get sunlight. At night plants cannot make their food and they do not give out oxygen because preparation of food is stopped in the dark. They take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide at night. Thus we can say plants breathe like us in the dark. Flowers. Flowers are beautiful parts of the plants. Most flowers grow into fruits. Apple flower. Apple. Fruits and seeds. Fruits are important for all plants and humans. Fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have one seed while others have many seeds. Mango has one seed. Orange have a few seeds while watermelon and papaya have so many seeds. Mango seed. Lemon seeds. Papaya seeds. Watermelon seeds. Seeds grow into the baby plants called seedlings. A seed has some food stored for the baby plant. Water and cream inside the coconut are food for the baby plant. A seed grows into a plant when it gets air, water and warmth. A baby plant depends upon the stored food in the seed. When leaves grow on a baby plant, it starts preparing its own food. A baby plant grows into a fully grown-up plant. We eat seeds and flowers of some plants. Wheat, peas, beans, rice are some seeds that we eat. You can see the number and arrangement of seeds in the fruits you eat. No more. Banana is a seedless fruit. Banana plant grows from the rootstock of an adult plant. Quick recap. A plant has two main parts, root system and the shoot system. Stem, leaves, fruits and flowers are the parts of the shoot system. Stem grows above the ground. It keeps the plant upright. Leaves prepare food for plant. Green color of leaves is due to the presence of chlorophyll in them which helps in preparing food. Most flowers grow into fruits. Fruits contain seeds which grow into new plants. Roots absorbs water and minerals from soil and hold the plant firmly on the ground. Roots are of two types, taproot and fibrous root.